How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can scale your models in Meshmixer. Now, I have this simple bunny head model that we are going to use as an example. So the first thing that you want to do is just head over to the object browser, and then you want to select the objects that you want to scale. If you want to scale multiple objects together, it's going to be simple. You just want to make sure to select them all on the objects browser. Right after, let's just click on the edit function, and from here you want to head over to the transform button. Now you could use this scythe buttons in order to transform it, but if you want to increase the size of it, you will be able to see this size for X, Y, and Z. So in my case, I'm going to be enabling the uniform scaling just to make sure that we don't mess anything up. And so if I increase this into something like 45, same thing with the size Z, it will then follow up with the other ones right here. But if you want to customize them individually, you just want to make sure to disable the uniform scaling. And if you want to change this into something like 21, for this one, let's change this to 25. And for the last one, let's change it to 21 again. It will then look something like this. So that's how easy it is to scale your objects or model in Meshmixer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.